Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the project and selecting the sequence you want to change. Once selected, open sequence settings so you can change the frame size directly. This controls pixel dimensions and affects export. Make sure you know the intended deliverable, web, broadcast, or social, because different platforms require different frame sizes. When you right-click the sequence and choose sequence settings, you're changing the container. That's the why behind this step, and it sets up the rest of the process. Once the sequence frame size is changed, you'll need to make the clips fit. Select all clips and use Set to Frame Size to preserve scale behavior, or Scale to Frame Size for raster resizing. Choose based on motion consistency. Make manual tweaks in Effect Controls for shots that crop or shift awkwardly, because automatic scaling can misplace subjects. Use the program monitor to nudge position and scale so key elements remain centered, and check keyframes to ensure motion still reads correctly. You finish by exporting with the new size. File, Export Media, then either match sequence settings or define a custom output. Pick a bitrate appropriate to deliverable so quality stays intact. Higher bitrates preserve detail when you upres. Once exported, verify edges and motion. If content is cropped or blurred, go back and adjust clip scale/position or revert sequence settings and try Set to Frame Size instead. If nothing fixes it, check pixel aspect and source resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.